My liefie, vandag word ek jou vrou. Hoe exciting is dit nie? Ek dank die Here dat ek vandag met die mees amazingste man gaan trou. Ek dank liewe Jesus dat hy jou uitgekies het vir my. My liefie, dankie vir jou onvoorwaardelike liefde, dat jy my elke dag laat glimlag en lag. Dankie dat jy altyd net die mooiste in my raak sien, en dat jy my foutloos laat voel. Dankie dat jy my veilig laat voel.
Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat, you whisper.
My liefste Kar, vandag breek ons groot dag aan, my liefie. Ek kan jou na vandag se kerkdiens uiteindelik my vrou noem. Ek kan nie wag om jou te sien as jy met daardie stralende glimlag in die kerk gaan instap nie. Ons lewensreis breek vandag saam aan en ek weet dat ons saam die beste en mooiste oomblikke en herinneringe gaan versamel. Al maak ons allerhande besluite in die lewe, weet God wat hy vir ons elkeen van ons beplan het.
And here we are for a lifetime. For a lifetime.
Every day I swear I need you. With each glance I love you more and more. Our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we soar. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat, you whisper to me, be mine. For a lifetime, it's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. Forever and ever, for a lifetime.
Forever.
Forever.
My soul found you and fell in love. Now I can't get you out of my mind.
Your tears, your touch, your lips, your love, your laugh, your songs, your stories.
Your heart, your arms, your lips, your laugh, your love, your songs, your stories.
Our tears, our prayers, our laughs, our love, our smiles, our songs, our stories. They're ours.
For a lifetime.
I'll love you, two hearts, one beat.
You whisper to me,
Be mine for a lifetime.
it's the little things that make our hearts meet.
It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name.
I know we've waited and we've prayed.
Oh, darling,
Say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed. And here we are
for